The Internet of Things is a key driver of business value, so organizations everywhere need to prepare themselves to digitally transform their business. A public transport company is looking into maximizing system uptime by eliminating service disruptions due to door failures and other severe faults. Trains would no longer block stations, reducing citywide disruptions through an early warning system that would automatically trigger service callouts before a door could fail. A pest control company is looking how to efficiently route service engineers by automatically monitoring its traps. Physical checks are unnecessary because sensors alert the service engineer to empty traps when they are full. A factory maintenance company is looking to provide better customer support by predicting maintenance requirements from monitoring asset vibration, temperature, and voltage, for example, so that in the future, an early warning triggers maintenance callouts before machine failures disrupt production. The result would be maximum uptime and efficient resource scheduling. So how does the IFS IoT Business Connector work? Products, assets, and equipment send data to a cloud-based discovery environment like Microsoft Azure IoT Suite, where the raw data is analyzed and turned into observations that are passed to the IFS applications, IFS Field Service Management, and IFS Enterprise Operational Intelligence. Applied to your products, assets, and service requirements, imagine how process efficiency can save you time and money by simply knowing what's going to happen. IoT is a real industry game changer.